I think she's got one open without even realising.
She gets results, but she doesn't know how she does it.
Yeah.
She kind of learns the trick.
No, you've got that one. Come on, Leeloo, you can do it. She kind of knows what to do. She just doesn't do it in order.
She does it through opportunity.
She knows that she has to pull them. Oh, it's so close, Leeloo. You just need to pull that one there.
Not my carpet. Someone with my carpet.
That's not going to do anything. Right, listen. You need to open this one. Look. Go on. That's it. Go on. Good. Now what happens? Look. Yes. Well, kinda. Hey, look. Use your nose.
2 hours later. Leeloo, yeah, try that one. Try this one. Here, look. No. Listen. Try that one. Yeah, I'll hold it. Yeah, that one. Pull it. That's it. Pull. No, the actual white bit. Pull it. Pull. Look. Do that. Come on. I'm not doing it for you. Don't sit there looking all cute. Just pull it out.
This could take a while.
It does. Keep her occupied.
Oh, she's got another couple open. Good girl. Well done. Well, I have no idea how she did that either. That was... She's got all but one open, I think. No, 2. She's got another 2 to open.
Yeah. Think about it. You don't go in the hard way.
No, come on.
Pull it this way. Look. That's it. Look what's here. No. Look. Here. Yes. What's there? Yes. And again. Here, look. And again. Here, look. Yeah. And again. Yes. I don't know how you do that one. That's it. Right, I'm not doing those 2 for you. You've got to figure them out yourself.
Well, this could take a while. That's the problem.
You're supposed to open them. Here, open these 2. Here. Open those 2. Come on, open. That's it. Here, that's it. You got it. Yes, good girl.
That's hilarious.
You did it somehow.
Hey, good girl. Come on, one more.
Pull. Here, pull. Pull it. Leeloo, here, look. This one. Pull. Yeah, pull. That's it. Yes. Good girl. Right. Pull over. Oh, push. No. Come here. Move your head out of the way. Push. That's it. Good girl.
Is that it?
No, I think she still has all them to open up.
I think we leave it there. Well done, Leeloo. Hopefully it'll be better next time.
Yes. I don't know how you opened them up. I really don't know how you opened them up. I think you're done. Hang on. Let me see if you're done. Yes, you're done. Finished.
She's done. Well done.
This now. It's full of spit.
Well done, Leeloo. Well done.